guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys Kat's new Studded Kiss formula, and I wanted to show you how to create this lip, which is an ombre lip, darker to lighter in the center. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, I have my foundation on, as you can see, my makeup. Now I'm going to scrub my lips because I've even put some foundation on my lips so you guys can see how dry my lips are. I'm going to use the Bite Agave lip scrub. I love this scrub because one, it's food grade quality, it's natural. So let's get to work. I would like you guys to massage your scrub on for 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, and as you can see, nice, soft, luscious red lips. Now let's get started on how to create an ombre lip using the new Kat Von D formulas. So these are the Studded Kiss formulas. They've relaunched. They're in your Sephora stores now. What I love about this new formula is that it's super creamy, easy to apply. You get great pigment. And best of all, Kat actually discontinued the last ones because she wanted to make everything completely vegan in her line. So these are all vegan. So for our ombre lip, the colors we are using are Crucifix, Ophelia, and bonus color, Whiteout. What you'll also need for this is a lip brush, and I like to line my lips and prime. Especially if you're low maintenance like me, I don't like to reapply my lips, so I usually don't for almost the entire day. Use a lip primer. This one is Lip Insurance by Too Faced. I like this because you can't see it, and it really holds all the lip product in place. As you can see, I'm also applying outside the lip line. The reason for that is because I like to shape my lips a little bit larger, so I'm gonna go outside the lip. This is also anti-feathering, so when you draw outside the lip line, it's not gonna go anywhere. Now we are gonna take my Bite lip liner number 50 and line your lips. So in the center area, I like to fill out a little bit farther, not so much here because you don't want to look like the Joker. Draw out. And it's okay if it doesn't look perfect because we're gonna go back with our lip brush and perfect it. So for our ombre lip, we are using the darker color first, Crucifix, and we are going to draw just in the outside corners. The bullet is also a different shape than the old formula, so I love it because it hugs your lips easier, and I feel like you can line and define with this very easily. Now we're gonna come in and take Ophelia and put that in the center. So now take your brush and just blend out where the Crucifix or any color and Ophelia or any light color meet. So this is gonna turn into like a transition color. You end up looking like you have 3 colors on. Then when you blend it to the way you like, another cool tip you can do is take your lip wand and just outline your lips a little bit more. I'm gonna go back and make my lips a little lighter because I prefer the inside to look a little lighter. And don't forget to blend again. And if you'd like, just to make the edges look a little darker again or more defined, you can again go back and darken as well. Now let's try Whiteout. So one thing I love about this color is that it can be used as a mixing medium if you'd like to lighten any of your colors right now. Another thing you can do with this is use it to lift the center part of your lip, which is what we'll do today. So I'm just gonna apply it on the Cupid's bow and then on the bottom, and you're gonna notice a dramatic lift. And you can pat it in and you can see the volume it gives. Same with the bottom. And another tip, just to keep this clean, make sure that you wipe down. That way it's back to white again and easy for you to use. I hope this video helps. I hope you guys have some fun making your own ombre lips. If you guys found this video helpful and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions or would like to see a different type of video, please put that in the comments. I'd love to engage and see below. Thank you guys. Bye.